Hello everyone, welcome back to our English online class. In my previous class, I taught you how to write cursive small letters Y and Z. With that, we have finished learning cursive small letters A to Z. कल मैंने आपको Y और Z सिखाया था, इसके साथ हमारा cursive small letters पूरा हो गया. Today I will teach you how to write cursive small letters A to Z together. आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी cursive small letters A to Z एक साथ कैसे लिखना है. Let us start. Take out your notebook. First upon write the date 2/3/23 April 2021 CW cursive small letters A to Z. आज हमको cursive small letters A to Z पूरा 26 letters एक ही साथ लिखना है. You should only write 5 letters in a line. आपको क्या करना है? एक लाइन में 5 लेटर लिखना है. Then let us start. First letter A. Put your pencil on the third line. How many letters are there in your English notebook? 4 line. First line, second line, third line and fourth line. This is the basic line of English letters. Cursive small letters हमको पूरा cursive letters third line से start करना है. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. पहले आपको एक छोटा सा slanting line बनाना है. Then draw a curve, take it again back and close it, then bring it back to the third line with a curve. Which letter comes after A? A के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? B. Start from the third line. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. B. Next letter C. First step, second step, make C. Next letter D. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. D. Which letter comes after D? Tell me. Yes, very good. E. Start from the third line. Draw a small slanting line with a big curve. Make E. A, B, C, D, E. You should only write 5 letters in a line. Then next letter start from the third line. Next letter, which letter comes after E? F. Start from the third line. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. F. Next letter G. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. G. H. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. H. Next, which letter comes after H? I. Start from the third line. Draw a small slanting line with a curve and make a dot. I for ice cream. Next letter J. Draw a small slanting line joining by a standing line with a curve and bring the curve below the second line and make a dot. J. Then second line finish. Then next we start the third line. Next letter, which letter comes after J? K. Start from the third line. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. K. Next letter L. Start from the third line. Draw a slanting line with a curve and bring the third line with a curve. L. K, L, next letter M. Draw a small slanting line with two curves together with a small curve M. Next letter N. First step, second step and third step. N. Next letter O. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. O. Then third line finish. Then start from the fourth line. Which letter comes after O? P. Start from the third line. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. P. Q. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. Q. Next letter. Tell me children, which letter comes after Q? Very good. R. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. R. Next letter S. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. S. P, Q, R, S. Next letter, tell me. Very good. T. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. T. U. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. U. V. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. V. Then next letter W. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. W. Next letter X. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. The next letter Y. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. Y. Then next letter, the last letter Z. Start from the third line. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. Then finish A to Z. Once again, write A to Z. Once again, all cursive small letters start from the third line. First letter A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Children, you have to do this work in your notebook. I will be giving some oral works also today. आज मैंने आपको रिटर्न वर्क के साथ कुछ ओरल वर्क्स भी सिखाएंगे. First listen children, when you are practicing writing these letters, प्लीज रीड एंड राइट. अगर आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करेगा आपका नोटबुक में, आपको रीड करके लिखना है. ये आपको एक एक लेटर का नाम बोल बोल के उसके साथ लिखना है. प्लीज प्रैक्टिस इट राइट प्रॉपरली इन द लाइन. आपको लिखते टाइम एक एक लाइन का ध्यान भी रखना है. लाइन के कौन सी लाइन में टच करके सिखाया है उसी तरह आपको लर्न भी करना है. टुडे आई विल बी गिविंग सम ओरल वर्क्स ऑल्सो. टुडे आज मैंने आपको कुछ ओरल वर्क्स भी सिखाएंगी. नाउ आई विल टीच यू द स्पेलिंग एंड हाउ टू रीड द वर्ड एप्पल. मैंने आज आपको एप्पल का स्पेलिंग कैसे लर्न करना है, रीडिंग के लिए कैसे रीड करना है वो लर्न करवाएंगी. चिल्ड्रन लुक केयरफुली द पिक्चर. विच पिक्चर इज दिस यू नो? टेल मी. वेरी गुड. एप्पल. एप्पल मीन्स save. Spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Repeat after me children. Spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Children, since we write two P's together in the spelling of apple, then we say double P. हमने स्पेलिंग में क्या बोला था? A-P-P-L-E. क्यों हमने डबल P बोल दिया? हमने एप्पल का स्पेलिंग में 2 बार P लिख दिया, इसलिए हम स्पेलिंग लर्न करते टाइम A-P-P-L-E apple. Then once again children, repeat after me. A-P-P-L-E apple. Apple means save. What is this? Picture of an apple. Apple means save. Spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E apple. A-P-P-L-E apple. Once again, repeat after me children. A-P-P-L-E apple. Apple means save. Spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E apple. Once again I will repeat the spelling. A-P-P-L-E apple. Apple means save. A-P-P-L-E apple. Once again repeat after me children. A-P-P-L-E apple. Apple means save. A-P-P-L-E apple. Children, today whatever we have learned, do the reading practice at home. आपको आज मैंने रीडिंग के लिए स्पेलिंग लर्न करवाया, ये भी आपको घर पे रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करना है. चिल्ड्रन, द नेक्स्ट क्लास I will teach you how to write the word apple. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैंने आपको सिखाएंगी एप्पल का स्पेलिंग कैसे हमको लिखना है. टेक केयर. थैंक यू. बाय.